Hi, it's Pat here from Videopro, and today we're going to check out the wireless presentation app on the Blue Square Labs interactive panel. This can be found under More, and eShare is right up in the top right-hand corner. It's important to note that any device that you'd like to present with needs to be on the same network as the panel itself. To get started, simply follow the instructions on the screen. Install the app, set up your network, and connect. eShare is also AirPlay compatible. This allows me to wirelessly present from my iPhone with ease. Simply swipe up, select screen mirroring, and then select the appropriate panel. One of the things that I find useful is sharing images from books. This allows you to share the content in a much bigger format, and I can also annotate over the top of it using the on-screen annotation tools. Another way to connect is through the eShare app. Simply select the appropriate panel and you'll be given two options to present. The share screen option essentially pushes your content from your device over to the Blue Square Labs interactive panel. The TV mirror option essentially gives you full control of the Blue Square Labs panel from your device. You can also present with photo, audio and video, and documents like PDF that are on your device. You can also use the camera option or use your device as a remote control. eShare is not only available on mobile devices, it's actually available on a whole range of platforms. Jumping back into the eShare application, there's a whole range of customizing functions that are available from the settings option in the bottom right-hand corner. It's here that you can rename the device to make it easier to find when you've got loads of panels on the network. There are a few security functions available as well. This includes PIN code and confirm before mirroring. This helps you control who's presenting and when. We've also got an option to show the connected devices and allow multiple screens to be connected at the one time. That's it for the eShare application. If you'd like to find out more about the Blue Square Labs interactive panel, check out the other videos in the series.